Dear students, I am DK Das. We discuss about the bad dyes. Bad dyes are complex organic compounds containing one or more keto groups as a chromophore and benzoamido, amino, methoxy and other groups as a oxochrome. These dyes are insoluble in water. They are soluble by hydroencaustics due to highly alkaline in nature. They are only suitable for cellulosic fibers. Washing fastness of the dye is very good. On the basis of chemical constitutions, bad dyes may be broadly classified into following classes. Number 1. Anthraquinone bad dyes. For example, algol yellow WG. Number 2. Indigoid white dash. Example is indigo blue. Number 3. Thioindigoid white dash. Example is thioindigoid red B. Classification of anthraquinone white dash. Anthraquinone white dash consist of one or more keto groups with suitable oxochromes like benzoamido, amino, etc. may be further classified on the basis of chemical structure. Number 1. Acyl amino anthraquinone white dash. Number 2. Sulfonated anthraquinone white dash. Number 3. Hydroxy anthraquinone white dash. Number 4. Hydroxy amino anthraquinone. Number 5th. Complex anthraquinone. Manufacturing of anthraquinones. Anthraquinone dyes are manufactured by preparing the anthraquinone skeleton, then introducing the desired substituents to get suitable anthraquinone dyes. Anthraquinone skeleton are manufactured as follows. Number 1. Oxidation of anthracene. Anthracene is obtained from the coal tar, which on oxidation gives anthraquinone in presence of nitric acid. Number 2. Biafradal-Kraft reaction. When phthalic anhydride is heated with benzene in presence of aluminum chlorides, benzophenone formed, which on heating with H2SO4 gives anthraquinone structure. Manufacturing of acyl amino anthraquinone. Amino anthraquinone not a bad dash, but their acyl or benzoyl derivatives are very good bad dash. It can be represented by PHCONH. When an organic acid treated with the amino compounds form the acyl amino compounds. Manufacturing of acyl amino dyes, for example, algol yellow WG. This dye is manufactured by heating 1 amino anthraquinone with benzoyl chloride or benzoic acid in presence of nitrobenzene at 140 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. 1 amino anthraquinone reacts with the benzoic acids in presence of nitrobenzene at 140 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. Then we get 1 benzoyl amino anthraquinone, that is algol yellow WG. And another method of manufacturing of acyl amino anthraquinone is 1 amino anthraquinone is treated with the benzoyl chlorides in presence of nitrobenzene at 140 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. We get the 1 benzoyl amino anthraquinone, that is algol yellow WG. Another example of acyl amino anthraquinone dye is algol blue 3R. This dye is manufactured by heating 1,4-diamino anthraquinone with benzoyl chloride in presence of nitrobenzene at 140 degrees centigrade. Then react with methyl chlorides. We get the algol blue 3R. Algol yellow R, that is the Indian Thread yellow GK. This is the another example of acyl amino anthraquinone dye. This dye is manufactured by heating 1,5-diamino anthraquinone with 2 molecules of benzyl chloride in presence of nitrobenzene at 140 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. We get the algol yellow or. Next example is Caledon Brilliant Violet RK. This dye is manufactured by heating 1,5-diamino 4,8-dihydroxyanthraquinone with 2 molecules of benzyl chloride in presence of nitrobenzene at 140 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. We get Caledon Brilliant Violet RK. Fifth example is Algol Bordeaux 2R, and this dye is manufactured by heating 1,4,5-triamino anthraquinone with 3 molecules of benzyl chloride in presence of nitrobenzene at 140 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. We get the Algol Bordeaux 2R. Similarly, following dyes can be manufactured: number 6 Algol Brownsy, number 7 Algol Rosar, number 8 Algol Violet 2B, number 9 Algol Violet R, and number 10 Halidon Yellow 3G. Next one is amino-triazine fat dash. Amino-triazine fat dash means amino anthraquinone consists of triazine. These dye contain the triazine ring system, which is as similar the reactive dash. They are manufactured by condensation of cyanuric chloride with 1 amino anthraquinone in presence of ammonia gas. Example is Civanone Red G. This dye is manufactured by condensation of cyanuric chloride with 2 molecules of 1 amino anthraquinone in presence of ammonia gas. You can see in the structures 1 amino anthraquinones of 2 molecules react with the chlorine atom of the cyanuric chlorides, and it forms the amino-triazine fat dash. Means 2 anthraquinone structure is joined by cyanuric chlorides structures having the triazine ring systems, and we get the Civanone Red G. Number second example is Civanone Red 4V. This dye is tertiary condensation product of cyanuric chlorides with 1 amino 4-benzyamidoanthraquinone, and here also triazine reactive systems jointly combined with the 2 molecules of amino anthraquinone compounds, and we get the Civanone Red 4G. Sulfonated anthraquinone dash. Sulfonated anthraquinone dash belongs to the hydroxy, bromohydroxy, amino-bromo and their derivatives. Hydroxy anthraquinones are algerine or their derivatives, and amino-bromo derivatives are belongs to acid dash. Algerine and their derivatives discussed under the hydroxy anthraquinone, and some examples of acid dash containing sulfonated anthraquinone are manufactured as follows. Number 1 Solvay Ultra Blue B. This dye belongs to the sulfonated anthraquinone dash. They are not a bad dash. This dye is manufactured by sulfonation and bromination of alpha amino anthraquinone and followed by condensation reaction with aniline. We get the Solvay Ultra Blue, that is acid dash. Solvay Violet BN. This dye is manufactured by condensation of 1,5-diamino anthraquinone with bromotoluene sulfonic acids, and it forms the Solvay Violet BN. Next example is Polar Blue 4Gl. When 2 molecules of 1 amino, 4 bromo, 2 anthraquinones. Sulfonic acids are condensed with benzidine formed polar blue 4Gl. Ketone patent blue 4Gl. This is the another example of sulfonated anthraquinones, and this dye is manufactured by condensation of bromamine acid with para-amino acid anilide, and it forms the ketone patent blue 4Gl. And next is anthraquinone blue SWX. This is manufactured by heating 1,5-dinitroanthraquinone with fuming H2SO4. We get the anthracene blue S5WX. Now we discuss about the hydroxyanthraquinone. Algerine is a 1,2-dihydroxyanthraquinone, and this dye is manufactured by anthraquinone. After sulfonations with fuming H2SO4, we get the 1,2 anthraquinone sulfonic acids, and then it is treated with the alkali. We get the sodium salt of anthraquinone, and then after fusion we get the sodium naphtholates of anthraquinones, and after acidifications we get the 1,2-dihydroxyanthraquinone, that is the algerine. Derivatives of algerine. Algerine red as. It is prepared by sulfonation of algerine with fuming H2SO4, and we get the algerine red as, and it is used for dyeing of wool. Algerine acid red SB. It is prepared by sulfonation of algerine with fuming H2SO4 in presence of mercury, and we get the algerine acid red SB. Algerine orange. It is prepared by nitrating the algerine in presence of boric acids. We get the algerine orange. Next, algerine blue. It is prepared by the reduction of algerine orange to 3-amino algerine, followed by the scarf synthesis of quinoline, that is by heating the glycerol with conc H2SO4 and nitrobenzene of quinoline. And we get the algerine blue, the dye in the blue color with the chromium salts. Algerine green. It is prepared by the Scarf's reaction on 4-amino algerines in presence of glycerol and H2SO4, and we get the algerine green. Quinizarine. It is prepared by the action of phthalic anhydride on parachlorophenol in presence of sulfuric acid and boric acids. We get the quinizarine, that is a 1,4-dihydroxyanthraquinone. Trihydroxyanthraquinone. Anthragalol is prepared by heating a mixture of benzoic acids and gallic acids with a mixture of monohydrate oleum at 120 degrees centigrades, and we get the anthragalol, that is algerine brown. Purpurine 1,2,4-trihydroxyanthraquinone. It is prepared by the oxidation of algerine with manganese dioxides with H2SO4, and we get the purpurine. It gives the scarlet color with aluminum salts. Algerine products. Algerine products is manufactured by anthraquinone structures goes under the sulfonation reaction in presence of boric acids. We get the 1,5 sulfonated products, which on fusions we get the sodium बंद कर दो. Algerine products are: it is manufactured from the anthraquinones after sulfonation in presence of boric acids. We get the 1 to 5 sulfonated products, which on fusion in presence of NOH we get the 1 to 5 sulfonates, and after acidifications we get the 1 to 5 trihydroxyalgerines, that is algerine products.